Mr. Neeraj Bhagat, founder of NBC, the man behind the strategical and esteemed organization.
Hi, I'm Neeraj Bhagat and founded this firm 22 years back. We're a team of chartered accountants, corporate financial advisors, and tax consultants in India. We believe in our people and consider them as most important asset of the firm, and value each member of NBC family. As strategic advisors, we integrate the hard-won industry knowledge and our extensive experience to ensure that our clients get the goal of success in India.
In a world of dynamic businesses and evolving financial landscapes, success lies in the hands of those who can adapt, innovate, and make informed decisions. Welcome to Neeraj Bhagat and Company, a leading provider of comprehensive business and financial services. Meet CA Ruchika Bhagat, Managing Director.
Our team of highly skilled professionals are dedicated in providing a comprehensive services tailored to your unique problems. With years of experience and deep understanding of various industries, we are committed in helping you to navigate the complexities of finance with confidence. Our client testimonials, they speak about the quality of services that we provide, and we take an immense pride in the success stories of our business that we have helped to grow and to thrive. Your success is our success. We dedicatedly help you in building your global reach, and we successfully serve our clients not only in India but across the borders. Whether you are looking for expanding internationally or you need assistance with the complex borders transactions, our team has expertise to navigate the intricacies of global transactions operations. What sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to excellence. We combine our deep industry knowledge and proven methodologies to deliver results that exceeds the expectations. At Neeraj Bhagat and Company, we firmly believe making a positive environment in society. We actively participate in various corporate social responsibilities initiatives, supporting education, healthcare, and environment sustainability. Giving back to the community is an integral part of our value.
At Neeraj Bhagat and Company, we believe in driving growth and success for businesses like yours through our expertise, dedication, and unwavering commitment to excellence. With a diverse range of services, we cater to all your business needs. Whether it's accounting, taxation, auditing, business advisory, or legal compliance, our team of experienced professionals is here to support you every step of the way. Meet Nikhil Sharma, Corporate Tax Advisor.
Whether you require accounting, taxation, auditing, or business advisory services, our comprehensive range of services is designed to offer you support at every step of the way. Our team of dedicated professionals is here to be your trusted advisors, guiding you through the complexities of business world and empowering you to make business decisions that drive success.
We understand that every business is unique, with its own set of challenges and aspirations. That's why we take a client-centric approach, listening carefully to your goals and concerns, and tailoring our solutions to meet your specific requirements. Our vision: to make NBC a choice for all foreign and multinational companies for strategic advice and turning their business to a balanced, legal compliant business. Meet Richa Sachdeva, Client Relation.
With a global network of affiliates and partners, we possess the expertise and resources to support businesses both locally and internationally. Whether you're a startup or an established organization, we have the knowledge and experience to help you thrive in today's interconnected world. As business landscape continues to evolve, so do we. We embrace innovation and stay at the forefront of emerging trends and technologies to anticipate your needs and provide you with the best possible solutions.
At Neeraj Bhagat and Company, we firmly believe in making a positive impact on society. We actively participate in various corporate social responsibility initiatives, supporting education, healthcare, and environmental sustainability. Giving back to the community is an integral part of our core values.